Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we'll be flying on Japan Airlines Flight 36 from Singapore to Tokyo Haneda to experience their Sky Suite 3 business class seat on board their Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Japan Airlines, along with most other airlines in the One World Alliance, departs from Changi Airport Terminal 1. Terminal 1 is the oldest of the 4 terminal buildings at Changi Airport, and despite a major gut renovation a couple of years ago, the departure hall decor is showing its age. Japan Airlines check-in counters open 3 hours before departure. After checking in and clearing immigration, business class passengers are invited to use the Marhaba Lounge, as Japan Airlines does not operate their own lounge at Changi Airport. However, being a One World Airline Alliance member means Japan Airlines business class passengers get to use other One World Alliance partner lounges as well. And arguably, the best One World lounge in Changi Airport is the Qatar Airways Lounge, which you can find out more about in my previous video. Link in the video description below. Now let's head to the gate to board our flight to Japan. Our flight was operated by a Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Japan Airlines is one of the largest Dreamliner operators with more than 40 aircraft in service. For international flights, there are now 4 types of business class seats, so it is important to find out which seat you'll be getting to avoid disappointment. This route is normally operated by Boeing 787s, fitted with Japan Airlines Sky Suite 3 business class product, which until recently was their latest business class seat. These seats measure 20 inches in width and recline into a 78-inch fully flat bed. The business class seats are laid out in a reverse herringbone 1-2-1 configuration, meaning all seats get direct aisle access. Front and center is a 17-inch touchscreen, next to which is an adjustable fold-down tray table, literature pocket, and seat adjustment panel. There is a collapsible armrest to create a larger bed surface. Next to the window is a side console with light-colored wood laminate surface. Amenities include an Evian water bottle, a simple amenity kit, noise-cancelling headphones, a hard copy menu, and soft slippers. Inside the amenity kit, you will find a toothbrush, eye mask, earplugs, and a moisture mask. Despite the less premium appearance, the amenity kits were still tightly controlled and limited to 1 per passenger. The side console also features a storage compartment for your personal items, below which you will find the headphone jack, USB, and power outlet. Next to the headrest is the in-flight entertainment remote. Seat lighting includes an adjustable LED reading light above the entertainment remote, and overhead lighting. While bulkhead seats are often sought after for their larger storage space, the Sky Suite 3 bulkhead seats are exactly the same layout as the non-bulkhead seats. Soon we were taxiing for takeoff. After takeoff, the crew served the late-night snack platter. Canapé of prosciutto and melon, skewered pickles, and mushroom polenta in onion sauce. I paired this with a very sweet Skytime grape juice, and afterwards some Japanese plum wine. The lavatory on this flight was clean and simple. Extra toothbrushes were available for those who do not wish to use the one in the amenity kit, and the toilet comes with a bidet. The seat reclines into a fully flat bed. The feet cubby was rather restrictive as it narrows further in. The in-flight entertainment system, Magic 6, felt rather slow and had a dated interface. There also weren't many English language movies and shows to choose from. Time for bed. After about 3 hours, the crew began serving breakfast. The meal was served on a single tray and featured an appetizer platter and a main course of grilled salmon. While the food was well presented, the taste and quantity could be enhanced. Soon we began our descent into Haneda. Hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of Japan Airlines Sky Suite 3 Business Class on board their Boeing 787. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.